Okay, we need to get the board now. Okay, let's go. Get in the water, baby. Let's go. Again. It's time, baby. Let's go.
Hey guys, so for today's vlog, we're here at the Southern Beach, Chigasaki. Ta-da! For today, we're going to surf.
Do an intro, no? Do a nice intro to your vlog now. You didn't. I think it's Micah.
I don't do that, babe! No? Hey guys, it's Micah and welcome back to my channel. We're here at the Southern Beach, Chigasaki. And we're going to do surfing today. It's actually my first time and someone's really excited because the waves are kind of crazy right now. It's 23rd of July. It's a Friday today. It's actually a holiday because of the Olympics. So everybody's in Tokyo right now and we're here at Kanagawa Beach. I'm guessing that is the swimming area and this is the surfing area. Ayan, ang ingay mo so. Ta-da! Easy setup and 1, 2, 3. We bought this tent last year when we went to Sushi, and we're gonna put our towels below because the sand is so freaking hot.
Wow! Oh my god, amazing! Oh my god, we need to get the board now. It's a good moment to surf.
Finish it first, no? Look at that boy. He is so excited.
Huh?
Hot, right?
Yeah.
Wow, katakana. So we're renting the surfboard now, and it's here at Southern Beach Surf House. It's in Katakana. So we're renting 2 surfboards. 3 hours it's 3,100 and for 1 day it's 5,100. So this is actually the cheapest we found here online actually. So we didn't check others and this one seems good. Perks of having a boyfriend. Well, in my defense, I cannot carry it because my arms are so short that I could not put it on my right side. Wow, my baby is struggling. Someone is so excited to surf. Grabe, oh. If you're gonna get sunburnt again, I'm gonna laugh. Wait.
Let's go.
Baby, look at your ano, look at your thigh. Look at your thigh. Put it properly. My goodness. Someone's doing a trial. Okay, go.
Oh my god, not at all. Okay, let's go.
He's so excited. Grabe, he's so excited.
Get in the water, babe.
Practice first.
Okay, practice.
Hi, so I think it's already 11 a.m. and he doesn't want to practice.
Put your 2 hands near your book. Near it. Okay. Come back. Keep going. You have to keep your body and like your shoulders. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. It's time, baby. Let's go. Do it, take care.
Uh-oh. Those skis are dead. Be careful. So we're going to return this other surfboard because apparently I didn't survive and I don't have any surfing skills. I was wiped out like crazy. crazy wiped out. So I think surfing is not for me. Though we're keeping the other board for him.
Vodka is too strong. You took orange juice, you took a strong vodka.
You got our food? So I got the garlic shrimp plate. So we have the garlic shrimp. This is potato salad, then salad, and then healthy rice, and some mango juice. And he got the same because he's gaya. So he just asked me why is there a high tide and low tide. Okay, so explain.
So it's very simple. It's just the attraction of the sun and the moon that pulls the sea into their direction when, depending where they are located in the space. When it's low tide, it means the moon and the sun is pulling the water because it's pulling the earth, so the water is pulled too. So it makes the sea go low tide, and when they don't exert force anymore, it goes high.
Boring. Kidding. Now I know. Thank you to Bear Grylls. Are you crying?
No waves anymore.
What do you call those? That was crazy. Baby has boo-boo. Toasted.
I look like I have a disease. Look at that.
It's just that.
Oof, look at those eyes.
Look at those eyes too. Brown. So it's 6 p.m. right now, and we're waiting for the sunset before we head